on 103.5 Dawn FM.
Oh, I cannot explain. Every time it's the same. Oh, I feel that it's real. Take my heart. I've been lonely too long. Oh, I can't be so strong. Take a chance for a man. Take my heart. I need you so. There's no time I'll ever go. Sherry, Sherry lady, going through emotion. Love is where you find it. Listen to your heart. Sherry, Sherry lady, living in devotion. It's always like the first time. Let me take your part.
Cherry, cherry lady, like there's no tomorrow. Take my heart, don't lose it. Listen to your heart. Cherry, cherry lady, to know you is to love you. Anything for me,
Yung rain, no? Coffee. Yes, so finally, we are here at Payapa Beach House. We traveled almost 6 hours. So, kasama na yung mga pag-stop namin. This is located at San Felipe, Liuliwa, Zambales. We booked this via Airbnb and yung vibe nito is modern Kubo living. It's a 250 square meter property and 3 minutes away lang sa Liuliwa Beach. So, may parking lot na sila dito. I think isa lang yung pwedeng ma-park dito na sasakyan. So, dalawa kasi yung dala naming sasakyan. Pero, pwede namang mag-park sa labas kasi may mga parking lot naman dito. So, may pathway lang dito papunta dun sa living room and bedroom area. Tapos, ito yung kitchen nila. Yan. Tapos, meron din sila ditong space. So, here's the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Most of the time, dito kami tumatambay. And it's very spacious. And all the essential is in there na dadala ka na talaga ng food. So, ang concern ko lang dito is always close the screen kasi medyo maraming insekto. So, ito yung pathway papunta sa living room and bedroom area. I like yung labas nito. May 2 chair lang dyan. So, pagpasok mo, may sofa. And then, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And ayan, may mga hats, bags, and books na pwede nyong gamitin. So, ito yung stairs kasi loft type siya. So, ito naman yung bathroom nila. I like the bathroom. Parang ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na part dito. Kasi full glass talaga siya. So, may mirror lang dito. Hi. And then, isa lang kasi yung bathroom nila, but it's spacious naman. Kaya lang, hassle kasi mag-aantayan kayo. So, ayan. Tapos, ang medyo concern ko lang dito sa bathroom is medyo smelly yung water nila. So, isa yon. But all in all, I like the interior of the bathroom. So, ayan pala yung foam dyan sa front.
Oh, diba?
Spikey, come! You want to go outside? Spikey? So, yung first agenda namin dito is mag-walking and titingnan namin yung beach. It's 3 to 5 minutes away lang dun sa Payapa Beach House. And so, ayan, mapapansin nyo, yung mga halos madadaanan nyo is mga beach houses din yan na super ganda din. So, if gusto nyo mag-ATV, ayan, I highly recommend yung El Samba ATV kasi yung una naming pinag-hire ng ATV is nagsisira-sira yung ATV namin at nasa front yon ng beach. So, I highly recommend yung El Samba na ATV.
Spy ka, napapagod ako.
So, after namin mag-jog, ito yung breakfast namin na sobrang sarap. May fish, may shrimp, may talong, may kakanin and everything na sobrang sarap.
Kaya na.
Oh, kiss daw. Ay.
Harap.